scrolling recently and noticed this viral image. A U-shaped classroom setup from Kerala is all over the internet, sparking conversations, curiosity and even controversy. And that got me thinking, what if I told you the most powerful reform in education didn't start with the textbook, but with the bench? I am Sumana, a strategic social impact educator from Hallam International Educators, and today I bring you a story of transformation that's quietly disrupting outdated classroom norms. Starting in Kerala, one of India's most progressive education states. For generations, students at the back of the classroom have carried invisible labels like slow, unfocused, or disinterested. But what if the problem wasn't them? What if it was the system? In a bold move, several government schools in Kerala have introduced a U-shaped seating arrangement inspired by part by the Malayalam movie Stanarthi Srikutan, and the results profound. No more front row privilege, no more forgotten back rows, just one united learning circle where every student sees and is seen. Teachers say classroom energy has shifted. Participation is up. Behavioral issues are down. And students feel connected, no longer spectators but contributors. And this resonates deeply with me. Over the years, we have worked to reimagine our own classrooms, not just with tools but with intentional design and heart. From pioneering STEM and space-based education to embracing activity-driven methods, our focus has always been on removing barriers, not just ticking boxes. And yes, the journey has brought its share of recognition. But more than awards, what fuels us is seeing a quiet child speaker or a backbencher finally shine when given a better seat and a better chance. So I ask you, educators, principals and policymakers, what is a backbencher missing out on in your school today? What brilliance might still be waiting to be seen? Changing classroom layout is not about furniture, it's about mindset. And yes, space is tight, habits are tough to break. But what if this one change could transform a child's confidence for life? Kerala showed us that even a bench can become a breakthrough. Now it's your move. Let's design classrooms that treat every seat as a first class. Let's make sure no child ever feels like an afterthought. Let's turn benches into bridges to equity, engagement and excellence. Because the shape of a classroom can shape the future of a child.